Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have a review video of this card holder, which is Calvi card holder from Hermes, and I have been using this card holder for last 6 months. I got this one in December 2019. So when you buy it from a store or from online boutique, you will get it wrapped like this with a bow and with their Hermes ribbon. And this ribbon is special, guys, because this is their 2019 holiday collection, I think. You can see right there, Hermes 2019. And I only have this ribbon in my collection, ribbon collection. I don't have anything from previous years. So this is a special ribbon which I got during Christmas. Then when you open the box, there will be tissue and there will be your item. Let me tell you the price for this one. I got this one in Vegas, and that time the price for this item was $335. And I'm going to write the name of the color right there on the bottom of the screen. So this is a bicolor wallet. The outer part is gray, which is not official color, by the way, and the inside is kind of, I wouldn't say apple green, but it's a beautiful green. I don't know what to compare this green with, but the camera is capturing the true color, guys. And you can see it's written Hermes Paris, made in France. This is a very simple piece. You can see they just cut the leather and then fold it and put these snaps on both sides. So I think they didn't take that much time to make this piece, but it's a beautiful piece and very lightweight. I love this piece because you can see this is very thin. It hardly takes any space in your bag, and I carry mostly small bags, and this is great for small bags. It looks tiny, but you can carry at least 16 cards in this card holder. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put 8 cards this side. So I have 8 cards, and I'm going to, you can put 8 more cards this side, but I'm going to put some cash. I'm going to fold them and then put some cash right there. You can see it's not bulky at all. So that is a negative about this card holder, guys. So when you have cards both sides and you want to use one card and you want to take out from this side or this side, so what happens when you hold it like this, the cards just slide out from this side. So what I figured out, I hold this side like this and then I take out my card like this so that it doesn't slide out, or else if you are just holding like this, then it will slide out like that. So that is a demerit of this card holder. It's easy fix. You just hold it like this and take out your card like that. Yeah, so this is my one and only Calvi card holder, and I love this. I would highly recommend this card holder. At least try one. You'll love this. I love this because how thin this is. You can see this is great for small bags, and I think you are going to love it if you give it a try. So that is it for this review video. I hope you like this video. If you did, please give me a like and please subscribe. Thanks again for watching this video, and see you again in my next one. Bye.